One of the key players in a scandal involving the highest branch of the Colorado Judicial Department testified in front of a legislative committee today. And this comes as state lawmakers are considering changes to the judicial discipline process. Denver 7's Megan Lopez was at today's hearing.
All right, Mr. Ryan, thanks for being with us.
More than a year after allegations surfaced of misconduct in the Judicial Department, a key player spoke publicly for the first time.
In retrospect, it seems I was blind to motivations of individuals and what I believed was an appropriate personal sacrifice to make on behalf of the branch.
Christopher Ryan is a former court administrator who allegedly helped orchestrate a contract for silence. He also exposed it. He told the Denver Gazette in May he's being set up to take the fall for it.
I have a new sense of what it's like to draw their ire.
The $2.75 million contract was awarded to Mindy Macias, who was in the process of being fired. She allegedly threatened to release information about sexual misconduct in the Judicial Department to win that contract. Instances like a judge apparently rubbing his hairy chest on an employee's back. The contract was later dissolved and Ryan resigned. Now, Ryan is criticizing the two investigations into the alleged misconduct.
There have been ongoing efforts by the leadership of the judiciary, specifically the Colorado Supreme Court, to endorse a specific narrative relating to the Macias contract related issues.
The first concluded the contract was not meant to silence Macias, though there was misconduct and unethical behavior. A second investigation found issues with the workplace culture.
The overt actions of the leadership of the department to promote publicly a specific narrative and avoid an impartial and judicial discipline investigation themselves illustrates the depth of the flaws in the functionality and credibility of Colorado's current system.
This testimony comes as state lawmakers contemplate legal changes to the department. Even before that happens, though, the court administrator's office says it's working to change the culture.
Our ultimate goal is to repair the foundations of a safe workplace, increase public trust and confidence in the judiciary.
Though they and lawmakers agree there's much more to be done. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.